We'll start with the Mustad C53S size 12 nymph, curved nymph, black tyne thread. We just attach this here. This is the MP33 Mayfly nymph. Get rid of that. And there's a little coquetillon for the tail here. This has to be a short tail, so that was a little bit too long. That'll do us. We'll just go back here. Like that. I want to flare this tail, so I'll go underneath, lift it, like so, then we can go back up. Just remove that. Up to there. I need a piece of copper wire, quite heavy copper wire for this. And we'll go back down, right into the tail base. There. Just put that out of the way, like so. Then we need some extra fine lead wire. I'll just attach this. It's a bit too far up, I'll start lower down. Break that off. Break that off. We'll just go up over the wire just to secure it a little. A little bit further down there, like that. Good. And I need a olive CDC, long one. And we just attach that in like that, and then we can go up over here, like so, up towards the thorax. Then we need to apply a hackle plier onto this CDC hackle. And we do a twist and wrap. It's important that you don't twist up the whole of this hackle at once, otherwise it will break. So we do a little twist and one wrap, a twist and a wrap, and then when the fibres get long enough to catch in, we pull them up, and we want to go all the way up, following the same routine of twisting and wrapping to give us a segmented body afterwards. Pulling the fibres up to catch them in. When Marc Petitjean started using CDC for nymphs, he was ridiculed, but now everybody does it. People couldn't understand at all he was using the best floating material for sinking flies, but it does work, of course, very well, as we know now. Oh, there went one of the lights. Okay, that's that done. So I just go around here and tie that off, get rid of the hackle plier. Then we take our scissors and we trim off all the CDC fibres. There we are. Then we take our copper wire and we follow each turn of CDC up over the abdomen. Then we can put a few wraps in forward as well. Gets a little extra weight. Then we can tie that off. And get rid of that. And go back up into the abdomen. Just there. Excellent. Then we need a bunch of black floss that we're going to tie in over slightly to one side like that. And we go back up here and another bunch of black floss. I'm going to tie in from this side. Like so. And back up into here. Just make sure that these two bunches are going to do what they are supposed to. Yes, that's good. A couple of stray ones there. Then we need a yellow CDC hackle that we'll just, perhaps it's best I put this one in first so you can see. It has to go on the side of the floss. So we just make a couple of loose turns and we pull it through like that. And we can go down. That's good. And then we do the same on the other side. Pull it through and then we can go up just on the side of the floss. And then we can go down. Just tie those in. Don't have to be so finicky with that. And then we'll spin our thread anti-clockwise so we can split it. There we are, I think. Yeah. We just flatten that thread and split it. So. And put a little magic clip of olive CDC in there. And spin that up. And then we'll wind this for our thorax. Let's pull everything back. Work our way back a wee ways from the hook eye. Like so. And we fold over the first yellow CDC, tack it in position, and then the second one in position. We can lift these up and carefully remove them. We can go back down to the eye and just secure the ends going backwards. Go back a little bit more and then we pull the floss over Oops. Just tack that in. Two or three turns at the very rear. We have enough room to remove it without building up the head too much. Like so. And then we can go forward again and work our way back. A whip finish. Move the tie thread, pull out the longest fibres, a few more long ones there. There we are, that's the finished MP33 Mayfly nymph. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.